How to create an event on LinkedIn app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create an event from LinkedIn app only. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn. As you can see, this is the home page. Now we click on post here down below, and here we'll find the create an event option in down below. You click on it and you write the event name and the date and the registration or broadcast link and also the description, and after that you click done, and that's it guys. It's very easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.